You're telling me an alligator can run 30 miles per hour?
Yes, for about 30 to 50 yards. It's short-lived, but you won't outrun him. He's very, very fast.
Holy.
So right now it's still hot. You look around, you don't see anything. There's about a 9-foot alligator up underneath this dock. Watch when the fish start to pop. Cool thing about the alligator, I don't want to hurt him, he's so small. Watch his eye. He's got a leather eyelid that comes up and down to protect his eye, and then he's got a clear eyelid that rolls front to back. See it close, open and close? As soon as his eye hits the water, it immediately shuts to protect it. Now you asked if he can bite. He's got 80 little needles inside that mouth. When he's born, he's got a tooth right here on the end of his nose. See that little different patch of skin? That's how he comes out of the egg. He busts out of it.
Hey, well, we haven't even left yet and I'm already having a good time. Between the alligators at Tippy's and just seeing the fan boats come in, it's crazy.
This is gonna be awesome. And we have little headsets with mics so we can hear each other. It's gonna be great.
Where exactly are we and where the Everglades start and that difference between fresh and saltwater tour?
Everglades start north of Lake Okeechobee, which is around Orlando, and it goes all the way down to the Florida Keys. It's two different ecosystems, fresh and saltwater.
They say the #1 thing in travel, if you can be invited to someone's home, you get a real sense for what the area is like. And I feel like you're inviting us out on a whole history. You said you're 5th generation, your son is 6th generation. So we're gonna get that knowledge in the tour and what's going on around us.
That's exactly what we strive for, because we're giving people what they're wanting. It's not that Disney ride where 6 people get on a boat, 20, 30, 50 people, they do a quick loop, they get off. This is really that experience of getting out there and exploring.
I want to tell you that this ride is ingrained in my memory bank forever. I need time to like process all that I've seen, all the different birds and the grass and the cypress. I mean, it's out of control. So beautiful.
You know what this is, boys?
Four-pronged spear.
It is, but it's specifically for something here in the Everglades.
Us?
No, it'd never spear you with it. It's a frog gig. It's for gigging frogs. Not heavy at all. But you put a big headlight on like I'm going to put on tonight for us to run by, see, and you slide around. The frogs they're bug eaters. They come up on the grass at night to eat.
Yeah.
You slide around out there and you gig them.
Can I do it?
No, we're not frogging tonight. We're gator hunting.
You can do that with the gators? Or
No,
with
No, you're not
win.
gigging a gator. You're a gator, you're on your own. I'm leaving. You're on your own, pal. He'll take a turtle this big around, bust the shell open in one bite, pull the meat out. He'll pop it open like it's a peanut. He says, look, there's some nice Arizona food. Stick your finger in the water and splash it, Caleb. He'll come right over to you.